I'm part of a special generation.
That's changing how we think.
That's changing how we do things.
Está mejorando la forma en que cultivamos y consumimos alimentos.
أنا أنتمي لهذا الجيل.
I am generation regeneration.
The food my kids eat should not cost the earth. I'm generation regeneration.
I work in a company that is going beyond doing no harm to creating a positive impact. I am generation regeneration.
This land is where I earn my living, and it's my family's future too. I am generation regeneration.
I want my work to matter to billions of people, from the ones behind the food to the people who eat it. I am generation regeneration.
My mum says our planet has to be very, very happy. I am generation regeneration.
When I buy something, I buy into something. I am generation regeneration.
Je suis la génération de toutes les générations.
We're all in this together.
We're all generation regeneration.
And so are you.